Welcome back. Today we're gonna take a look at the comments. Let's get straight into it. Email Gershner says, "Hi Skinny, why is FILG pumping like crazy? And is Filecoin not following?" Yes, if you look very carefully, right? Not just FILG, right? If you look very carefully, yes, we know FILG is kind of pumping, right? But if you look at G-Link, right? G-Link is also pumping, right? If you look at Grayscale, what's Grayscale? Grayscale, Trust, right? And if you look at Grayscale Trust, Solana, right? It's also pumping, right? You can actually see a squeeze here for Solana, Grayscale Trust. You can even see it here. There's good power out. But if you look at Solana against USDT, hey, bro, but where's that pump? It's actually pumping, to be honest. But where's that pump here? So to be honest, right, it's not really a good, what do you call it? Okay, not a good indicator of what's coming, right? So yeah, there you go. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So it's not really that reliable. So yeah, don't put too much weight into it. MD Repair says, "What do you think of Ordiswap?" Right. If we look at let's go Ordiswap. Ordiswap is, I think you can get it here. ORDS USDT. Okay, wait, no, we do it here. ORDS for Ordiswap. So if you look at Ordiswap, anything for Ordiswap, we're already out. There was a squeeze here, you see. Pam! And now we're out. There's a higher high, so I'll be very, very careful, right? Normally people will only start talking, "Hey Skinny, can you look at," when it's already here, right? You should be telling me or asking me questions. "Hey Skinny, what do you think about Ordiswap?" when it's here, not when it's here. This is not buying season. If anything, you should add Ordiswap into your watch list and you wait patiently. It may take weeks or even months before you see a proper consolidation again, right? So this is a game of patience. Even Warren Buffett has already said, the market, Buffett transfer money patient, right? He had this quote, right? The market is a device of transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So now, you're very emotional about things. Ordiswap, take a look. What do you think about Ordiswap? Should I get into Ordiswap? Yeah, the answer is always no. You have to wait for things to calm down first. When your emotions are calm, that's when you make a move. Not when your emotions are high. So it's a game of patience. Elgar Spiksama says, "That's not your bull run target, 165. Oh, ADA. Hey, bro, what's this? Charles Hoskinson, the Hosk. Our target is actually higher than that. It's close to $2. But we'll take things one step at a time for ADA. We'll start with our 125 first. Cardano holder here. Are you HK? Charles, can you do QUBIC? I'm aware of QUBIC, but QUBIC is on very obscure exchanges, right? It's on, what is it called? Safe Trade, I think. And if you look at QUBIC, again, QUBIC is already out, right? Let's say we look at, we go to Safe Trade, and then we go to QUBIC. Yes, sir. We move this volume up. We turn on logarithmic. And yeah, it's already out. It's out. It's a falling channel. And it's really blasted off. It's like, yeah, you should ask Kenny to look at QUBIC when it's here. Not when it's here. He has already made a move. How many percent has it already risen? 400%. Hey Skinny, do you think I should go in? Let me ask you back the question. Do you think you should go in when things have already started blasting off 400%? The default answer is no. You'll have to wait for a retrace, right? When it was retracing over here, was anybody talking about QUBIC? Were you talking about QUBIC? Right. You buy things when they're down, not when they're up. So again, you'll have to wait for the next consolidation to come. However it's going to look like, it could be a falling channel, it could be a squeeze. Yeah, you have to wait for it. It's going to take several weeks or even months before you get it. And again, we're already so overbought. So it's not a wise move to go in here. It's definitely not. So you need to be wiser and you need to switch the way you look at things, right? Sure, it may catch your attention, QUBIC, but you add it to your watch list and you wait for a few weeks. Lazy says, "Hey Skinny, I appreciate you introducing us to this low market caps, but still there's so much volatility in the market right now. I think many subscribers will be happy to get more than one update per week on larger coins." So for that, Lazy, you'll have to join us on Patreon because we do updates regularly on large cap coins. on coins that has huge potentials, but it's large caps, relatively large caps. So yeah, and anyway, on YouTube we do high time frames, technical analysis every alternate week, so which I think is pretty good enough, right? So yeah, again, you have to join us in Patreon for that. In my opinion, Luna Classic looking better now, dude. Good luck to you. What are your long-term targets on beta? Bro, I thought I just gave you a target for beta. What do you mean long-term targets? Can we take things one step at a time? All right. Control your greed, bro. Again, there is a noisy area over here. So 46 cents is the first target. After that, we're going to have a rest, my assumption is, before we continue higher, right? The long-term targets is, I don't think we're going to take out the highs at $5. That's my long-term targets is we're probably going to take out this one and also this one here, right? So this will bring us to like maybe $2 or something. But again, we don't look that far yet. We look at 46 cents because things can always go wrong over here and we could still come back down, right? Let's say Bitcoin crashes back down to 30,000. Can you imagine the smell of blood on the streets, right? So again, this is trading, no guarantees. And if it's time to go, you have to go. Go as in go in, go as in go out. You have to secure your profits. And you have to take the risk if and when the time comes. Where's this? Muhammad Abdun. Thanks for the content as always. Could you please elaborate more about the Discuss tier membership? I'm looking to join. Cheers. Abdun has been here for 2 years, yo. 2 years. We value loyalty. So Abdun is, you're talking about... the Patreon, right? Yes, sir. So for Patreon, the complete Discuss tier, right, is complete, right? So what you get is you have full access to all the learning videos, right, on how we identify chart patterns, how we identify high quality squeezes, how to identify head and shoulders, symmetrical triangles, ascending triangles, descending triangles, how to read candlesticks, right? It's all in learning videos. But of course, day to day, if you look, I mean, when you watch the videos and what I do, you will kind of get a grasp of what I'm saying, and eventually you will learn it faster, right? Learning videos is just basics. It's the thing that you will watch every day on Discord when I publish it, right? What shall I analyze? Long list of yes. So normally I'll just take a look at whatever it is that has high quality chart patterns. You know, sometimes the community member might give a suggestion and we take a look at what the community is talking about, right? Sometimes it's a very good one, but you know, everybody is on the same page, so everybody's always looking for the same thing. So yeah, and I just give my 2 cents on it. A lot of them are doing very well, very well. Yeah, we've not been looking at commodities, forex, because it's just not volatile. You know, crypto is sucking all the volatility. Everyone is in crypto, so the lifeblood of a trader is volatility. So we're very focused on crypto right now. We're also looking at stocks, but mainly on crypto. Yeah, my watch list, you can see my full watch list. You know, I don't really share it, but you can actually see it in private, right? Because we want to make moves undetected, in the sense that sometimes we also do trade very low cap coins, very low cap coins. So it's very important that when we make moves, it cannot be like, you know, suddenly a big change comes in and it pushes the price higher. So it's very important that we move in bits and pieces here and there. So yeah, some like-minded trades. Yeah, everyone's on the same page. Post your trades. Yes, feedback. I'll give you my 2 cents. You can give feedback on others as well. Others will also give feedback on whatever that you have found. You share whatever news, events, any impact, asset class. You can post memes, motive, whatever it is, you know, that you think that is of use to the community. You can share it on Discord. Yeah, transparency. Every trade I take, every investment that I make, you will see it. Every single thing. Every single thing. So yeah. Percent, yeah. So there you go. And it's monthly though, so you can just join in a month, see if this is for you, right? Because trading is not for everybody. Trading is very difficult, and the failure rate for trading is very high. 90% of traders just don't make money. So you know, it's just not for average people. So if you find that trading is not for you, then hey, it's okay. You can always you know, stop anytime. Right, and there are people who have been around since 2019 when I started. 5 years they've been around, and their lives have changed. So yeah. Anyway, point being, this is Discord, right? You have daily stuff. I post daily videos and interact with everyone else. And yeah, we take a look at news, we look at trade ideas, we look at what everyone is posting, and yeah, again, just join us, see if this is for you. If not, then hey, it's okay. It's totally okay. So yeah, you're always welcome. You are always welcome. Bem Kolam says thanks. You're welcome. Here, giddy, yes sir. So that's why I talked about cats, right? And suddenly, I don't know if it's me because I'm just a very small YouTube channel. Some of my cats that I've been watching started rising a bit here and there. 10, 20, 10, 20, maybe 30%. So I'm like, could it be? I don't know. Yeah. HEMULE, okay. HEMULE is already up. So HEMULE is not something that you want to be in when it's up. Where's this? It's up. There was a squeeze. You see this? Yeah, it's too late. I mean, you can't be checking out everything, right? So that's why it's very important to have a community. Everybody, chips in with their discoveries. Imagine having like 20 or 30 pairs of eyes versus only your one pair of eyes. You can do so much more. And that's the power of a community. It's very important to have a community and to have people that you can trust being around you, right? So, yeah. Anyway, it's out. It's out. It's severely overbought. So you don't make a move when it's overbought. You have to wait for a retrace or some sort of a consolidation around here. You have to wait for something like this to happen. Maybe a falling channel or something. Again, I'm not too sure. But you have to wait for a break now. And if you look at the volume, the whales are already selling. Whoever it is that created HEMULE, right? Look at the volume. They're selling off here. Look at this. It ties in very well. So I would not recommend buying now. Sure, you could go higher. But they're already securing the profits and we're overbought. So yeah, I just don't think it's a good idea. Again, it's a game of patience. Love to see you back, Skinny. Been following for years, but you keep getting booted off. Fuckers. Any chance of a quick wrap of Kaspa Show? Yo, bro, I've been going through Kaspa non-stop. Kaspa is severely overbought. Sure, you can go into Kaspa if you want to, right? But we're so overbought. And there's already a double bearish, right? Lower high on the price, lower high on the MACD, lower high on the RSI. Could we go higher? Sure. Would it be wise to wait for something clearer first? Sure. Would I go into Kaspa? Absolutely not. Bro, Kaspa has already done 100x, 12,000%. Do you think it's wise to go in here? I know you're feeling very emotional. Oh my god, Kaspa. Yeah, you don't buy Kaspa here. You buy Kaspa here when it's consolidating here. Or here, right? And you can see that it's just getting less and less volatile. Let's say, for example, from here to here, right? How many percent? 800%, right? From here to here. How many percent is this? 1,000%, right? From here to here, how many percent is this? 92. It's getting shorter and shorter. So, bro, patience. What a daily X Fund candle. Looks like the volume has arrived. Yes, sir. So, high five to everyone who took X Fund. The boys and I, and hopefully you too are in X Fund. But again, no guarantees. Things can always drop to zero. If things go well, hey, it hits target, right? Can you take a look at JUGNI, the Matic Cat? Okay, let's look at JUGNI. JUGNI! What's JUGNI? What does JUGNI mean? Is it Korean for cat? JUGNI on Matic. Anything for JUGNI? Nope. What's this, bro? Can I go forwards? Anything for JUGNI? Yeah, nope. Nothing for JUGNI. Sadly. Excellent, great call, Skinny. High five. Great video. Thank you very much. Thanks, you're great. Not Dogecoin, is DOG, Dogecoin, Dogecoin, tomatoes, potatoes. Jules George says, hey, very nice here. As always, you're doing great. Your channels are underrated. Yes, I know it is. Could you please do a quick educated guess in best and worst case scenario for CRO? I put in an average price of 4.5 cents. I see white Visa and much missing from Luxembourg. You know that Luxembourg has a very high divorce rate. Let me just go in. It's going off tangent here. Divorce rate. Europe. Bro, yo, what are you guys doing in Portuguese? And Portugal. Oh my god, look at Spain. 85%? What? What's happening? What? This is insane. I know Luxembourg has a very high divorce rate. What the hell? Bro, what's happening in Europe? Can somebody please tell me in the comments what's happening in Europe? You gotta look for some Irish girls though. If you want to get married, you should go to Ireland. Girls and boys as well. Right. Hungary, go to Malta. Romania, maybe. Cyprus, Croatia. Austria. Austria is not too bad. Poland is a very Christian country, I know. Germany is not bad though at 35. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not gonna look. Okay, that's very bad. Luxembourg. Oh bro, you need to, you gotta be a passport, bro. Okay, wait, what are you talking about? CR, okay, let's go. Oh my god. Spain, what are you doing? CRO, let's look at it on... Is it KuCoin? I think it's KuCoin. CRO! So for CRO USD, okay, we don't see it. CRO BTC, we were saying that it's very important that we do not take out the lows over here. Right. Well, we're expecting CRO BTC to form a very nice squeeze here. And volume has come in. Right, big green dildos have already started appearing. So it's very important that we don't take out these lows here. And we didn't take it out. Just as we were going close to it, PAM! It got pushed back up. So I think CRO has potential to do well, but we won't know until it starts rising back up here. Right, and it does a consolidation before breaking higher. I mean, of course, this is a textbook perfect. I'm expecting it's not going to be textbook perfect. So if you get something like this, great. So, but we still need to see the move come back up. We need to see a wave D, right? A, B, C, because things can still go wrong from here. So I will only be more confident when this happens. And if this happens, you have to wait for a retrace first, or a consolidation of sort. So yeah, that's our take for CRO, right? Epic Premonition says, I believe it will be a pull trap. Yes, sir. I was saying that if we don't correct right for BTC in March or April, then April, you know, when the halving comes, it could be a bull trap and, you know, everybody just gets wrecked. We lose your caucus in April, so time right. FTM pumped today. Yeah, FTM is, I'm not too sure about FTM. Right. Oh, we had targets here. Yeah, so we've already taken this out. Right. So these targets are now invalidated. So FTM is seems to be completing and ascending, right? As we are heading higher. So if anything, I would still expect a long consolidation here. This could be an A, B, C, D, E kind of a chart pattern. It might be in preparation for 2028, 2026, 27, I don't know, some next halving probably. But now already up. So yeah. Anyway, moving on. Thanks, Skinny. How do you think the volume will change now that ETFs account for a large part of the trades? How will it change? There'll be big volumes on ETFs, and there will also be big volumes on spot, perpetuals. I don't know. I don't know. The institutions will probably be holding positions in ETFs and probably pumping the price of the asset. Right, because when you're holding ETFs, it's not exactly unlimited, but yeah, again, I don't think it's I don't know. I don't think it matters though. It might, but not as much, I would say. So yeah. Anyway, good analysis, Skinny. Thank you very much. EDC, BTC, BCH, clear sign of reversal. Let's go. Skinny, I've learned a lot from you. Here's a gift from me. DREP. Okay, I took a look at DREP. And yes, DREP has potential, right? DREP seems to be in some sort of an accumulation, right? If you look very carefully, this is a falling channel. Falling channels usually break higher, right? So I think DREP could be breaking back up. But I suspect it won't be so simple. We might break out, consolidate and up, and consolidate and up again, right? We would love it if the resistance was flat. This is not flat resistance. Something like this would be great, right? We consolidate here, bam, we break out, rather than a, you know, a very slanted type of resistance. Because if we break out, we may still go back towards support that is much lower. You see, if things are here, I mean, if it was a horizontal resistance, right? And if we do break out, we expect the support to hold as we bounce higher, right? So that's why slanted resistances are not as high quality. So yeah, but I think DREP is it has potential. JASMY update, please. Let's go, JASMY. Again, JASMY is already up, right? It's already hit targets. Ta-da! This was the target which we acquired. When was this? Some time ago. Ta-da! We hit targets for JASMY. Anything to do here? Nope. Overbought? Yes. So what do we do? Wait. Wait for what? Wait for a consolidation. Wait for a consolidation. Right. Let's say, for example, right, let's just flip the charts. Right. Look at this. It's quite obvious, right? Look at the mountains. Quite obvious, right? Okay, anyway. While we were rising, right, see, up, consolidate a little bit, up, deep retrace, continue higher, consolidate, up, right? As we were even going up, you could see consolidations here and there, right? But now, yeah, what concept? I'm sure we could go up from here, but yeah, no, we'll wait for chart patterns. No chart patterns. I don't do anything for JASMY, but it's up now. Potential highs will be 16 cents. There'll be another target at around 6 cents, and a very noisy area over here. So about 4 cents. Right. There's several levels to this. So maybe we hit this level first, consolidate a little bit, go to the next level, consolidate a little bit before going to the next level again. Something like that. So that's my take for JASMY. Thank you, brother. By the way, anybody listeners for Aptos, Op, and ARB. Okay, Aptos doesn't have anything clear. Optimism is severely overbought. Arbitrum, okay, Arbitrum is, in my opinion, the gem. Because Arbitrum is not severely overbought. We're not severely overbought. There's no double bearish divergence anywhere. No, ARB has been a very slow mover. So we're expecting good things for ARB. Op, let's say, if you look at ARB, right, compared to ARB. Optimism has already have a double, there's already a double bearish. Lower high on the MACD, lower high on the RSI, higher high on the price. So potentially there could be a zip back down. And there's no clear high quality chart pattern associated with OP. If you look at Aptos as well, there's just, it's like, yeah, bro. I know it's rising, right? So Aptos has to do something like this first. If it just keeps going up and it takes out this high, then yeah, again, Aptos is not for us. Could you do metal, please, Skinny? Metal, again, normally people only talk about the coin once it's up, right? Were there anybody telling me, hey, Skinny, can you please take a look at metal? Yeah, no. Can you please do? No. It's here. I say, hey, Skinny, it's overbought. The answer is no. No. You can add to your watch list. You can come back to it every week if you want to, right? After your emotions have calmed down, then yeah, maybe you can consider, metal, right? Give us some fresh data for DC. So if you look at Dogechain, yes sir, Dogechain is in a very big squeeze. We're expecting big things for Dogechain, big things. Yeah, we're expecting to break out really beautifully towards the upside. But yeah, I suspect we're in some sort of a consolidation, right? This is like a valley 1. I expect there'll be a valley 2. So we'll see how it goes first, right? If you look over here, there's big selling. It's a bearish engulfing, so I'd be careful. Anchor. So if you look at Anchor, this is where Anchor is. Anchor has already started blasting off. Anything for Anchor? Yeah, look at this, right? Valley. We're probably, it would be best if we get another valley. If not, then yeah, again, the top is not too far away. I suspect we'll go to like 14 cents. We're 5 cents right now. So yeah, but there's no high quality targets for Anchor. Not at this point of time. There's a noisy area over here. So I suspect we'll take a break here. But yeah, no, not for us. PUNDIX has already started blasting off, right? So if you look at PUNDIX is already up and out. We have a target over here. Ta-da! Fresh out of the oven for you at $2. We're already overbought. So, and we're above the skinny pink line. We expect it to stay above the skinny pink line. Consolidate. Continue higher towards $2.07. Ta-da! We're at 63 cents right now. So this will be another 200, I think. 231%. So more upside for PUNDIX. Ta-da! All right, hope you guys have a great weekend. See you in the next one. Oh, and if you haven't yet, please do check out yesterday's Layer 1 Coins TA. Enjoy yourself. See you. Ta-da!